Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Crank Gang 54 here. Just coming back with a random update, really. It's May 5th, I think. Anyway, my year was on May 4th, which was yesterday. You can see him. I put it in a weird hair style, which is why I kind of did the video. I want to show y'all the weird hair style. Y'all probably gonna say it's gay or stupid or whatever. I really don't care. People that been sending me hate mail. Same people that been sending me hate mail, whatever, and same people that subscribe and send me friend requests, like, no, I'm not going to accept you. Anyway, as you can see, I need to line up, whatever. Yeah, just pretty much bored after school, nothing really to do. I guess I'll show you the hairstyle, anyway. I call it the peacock. Yeah, anyway, there's the side. You know, it's two ponytails. Show y'all the back. Oh! A little bit outside the collar. I know some of y'all tripping like, bro, what's up with your hair, bro? But, yeah, this it. Oh. Other side. Oh. And back to the front. You see I need to line up whatever I need to get that. I was looking at the store today. Different prices on different things. Like different clippers or whatever. I'm thinking I'm going to get one. It costs $30. Not that much. I'm going to get it. I had clippers and everything. Line me up and stuff. Nothing really new. Haven't did my hair yet. Need to do it. A lot of new growth. As you can see, people that always say that my dreads are perfect, they're really not perfect. I don't know if you can see this. All this loose hair stuff like this. I don't have perfect dreads at all. Like if you look, I want to get like if you look at all this. I don't know if y'all can see it. That all this loose hair. My dreads are not perfect. Like this and this and all that. My dreads are not perfect at all. Maybe people think they are. I don't know why. Yeah, nothing really new. I guess you can say it's random update. Random hairstyle. Let y'all see it again in the back. Real quick. Yeah. I like it. I'm probably not ever gonna wear it outside the house though, but I think it's cool. Yeah, I need to get my hair did. Haven't done it yet. Yeah, and another thing. I know in my last update I said I wore a beanie to sleep. Thing is, I rarely wear anything on my head still. And people always say, how do you not wear anything in your hair? You should wrap your hair at night. I guess if you want dreads like mine, do everything that people say not to do. Because I didn't really care when I was making my hair. I just do it. And when I do my hair, I dry with a towel. I get lint in my hair. I have a lot of buildup. I use beeswax. My dreads are perfectly fine. People trip about little things. But, I mean, I wash my stuff. I get a lot of buildup. But I wash it out. I use beeswax. It's fine. I don't care what anybody says. I mean, but if you want yours to look like mine, if you have a close hair texture to mine, it'll turn out like this. Yeah. But anyway, see, I got that hang over on the ponytail. I got hang time. Rocking the polo, with the polo shorts. I'm pretty much bored right now. I need to be doing an assignment, but anyway, like I said, I rarely wear anything to sleep at night. Still, I don't really care. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all later with the video. Leave comments, hate mail. Don't care what you gotta say. People that hate, don't send me a friend request because I don't like it. I'm not gonna add you anyway. Yeah, so Crank Gang 54 out. Got a couple more weeks and I'm be through school. Yay. Oh yeah, another thing. I don't know if any other school systems doing this, but I'm down in Troup County, Georgia. I don't live in Atlanta. I used to live in Atlanta, but I live in Troup County now. We're gonna have a 3-month vacation. 3-month summer vacation. 3 months. And the thing is, we're going to have 45 extra minutes to the day of school. It's going to be 45 extra minutes to school days, which is, I don't really care, just a little bit added on to each class, which will probably help you. We're going to have longer Christmas breaks and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm pretty much babbling right now. I don't have anything to do. Yeah, so leave comments and haters, you can, you know what you can do. But I'm going to let y'all later. Deuces.